We are back at Johnson Road. So this is the front reception room, also being repaired, and then that will be painted later. So that's the work area. Second reception room has been stripped off. That's the oven, I believe. Kitchen is more or less done. Down. Kitchen units are in. Stainless steel splashback. Well, this is the bathroom. That's tiles. That's really well lit. Actually looks really nice. Very spacious. So that's the kitchen. That's going to be cut out for the fridge freezer. Reception room. That's going up for the electrics. It's currently being done. We might just get rid of this. I think it's starting to get in the way now. Again, the electric's been done throughout, so the quote came back for that. It's 2.5k, 2 days work for 2 people. The radiator will have to be moved. Once that's removed, so the chimney breast has been removed, then there'll be a wall will be erected here. So the bed will be over there. The door will be around here, and then that's for the light switch for that door. Also for this bedroom, and then this is the third bedroom. So in here, that light switch is going to be moved over here, so that you're coming in and your switch is on the right rather than having to go behind this door. I think that's it. So I think in terms of time scale, Gavin said he will probably be done within 2 weeks, I think. So 2 weeks, probably 3, I would expect, because then you need to do this room as well, and then carpets, and that's it. Everything should be done.